Assalamu alaikum. Hey everybody, welcome to Saddam Says Spoken here. Today I'm going to teach you about use of are, auxiliary verb are. There are a lot of uses of are. Are is used as a main verb. Examples I'll give you. Mr. Sarkar and Miss Sarkar are two friends. They are happy now and they are also soulmate verb as a auxiliary verb in present continuous tense. Like, we are giving some money to the beggars. We are living here for 2 months. The boys are throwing a stone to the frogs. Use of are as a passive voice. They are furnished. Monica and Shanika are given money for buying some meal or buying some clothes. So that's all for today, guys. See you later.